In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox on a school Chromebook completely unblocked. Don't worry, this method does not use now.gg or any paid service. Instead, we're going to be doing something completely different. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser of your choice. And once you do open up this web browser, go ahead and search for easyfun.gg. This is going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And once you are on this page, just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see Roblox on here. Go ahead and select that. And then from here, you can go ahead and hit play now. Now, if this method does not work for you, I would try using some sort of unblocker site, and I have full guides showing those, so I'd recommend checking that out. And just load up that unblocker site, and once it does load, then come back to easyfun.gg, and it should open. For whatever reason, if you're not seeing Roblox pop up, you could search for it as well just by typing in Roblox. And then from here, it'll take you to this same page where once again, you can go ahead and hit play now. But that is it. That is how you can play Roblox here on a school Chromebook. I'm going to leave my Discord link down in the description below if you are looking for even more ways to play. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.